everyone, it's Lana here from Winterfield Studios. I hope you're having a great day so far. I'm super excited to share with you the new Plant Life Scene Sticker Kit, which features 7 different sticker sheets as well as 4 Art Deco sheet add-ons. And just to add a little bit of shimmer and glimmer to my planner spread, I'm also going to include the foiled cluster shapes as well as the foiled bougie boxes and the foiled cluster boxes, and then lastly the foiled bows from my shop. Did you get all that? If you didn't, don't worry. I will include a list of the different sticker sheets and kits that I used in this planner spread at the end of this video. For those of you who are returning to my YouTube channel, hello again, and thanks for coming back. This is definitely going to be a bit of a different type of YouTube video for Plan With Me, as I'm going to continue on with this format. And then for those of you who are brand new and just checking out my shop for the first time, thank you so much. Welcome. If you want to know a little bit more about Winterfield Studios, my shop is best known for its planner scene sticker kits, which bring your planner spreads to life using one-of-a-kind art deco and creative functional stickers like the washi strips that you just saw here, just so that you can layer and create and make fun and joyful planner spreads and really get immersed in your memory planning. One of my absolute favorite parts of planning these days is with sticker layering. I know it's a hot trend and there's lots of people into it. I think I really like it primarily because it really joins together my love for paper crafting as well as planning. So I kind of get the best of both worlds out of this. So it's super exciting, and if you haven't tried any of the layering yet with planning, I think you'll really get into it pretty quickly, because it just allows you to add so many different elements to the page, and especially when it comes to your foil elements, everything just shines and sparkles and just looks fantastic. I also think it's great because it creates a lot of dimension on your planner spread, which is a lot of fun, although sometimes it does make it a little bit challenging if you've got too many layers on there to close your planner. I think mine ends up being at the end of the year just almost 4 inches thick because I've got so many different things in it layered in there and in the pockets and stuff like that. So right now what I'm going to be doing is replicating the other side of my planner spread so it resembles the right side. So I found that it was actually a lot easier for me to lay down the foiled cluster boxes first and then add on the date covers with the really fun hanging ivy. I struggled a bit a few times, so maybe learn from my trial and error here. I think that's probably the best way to do it, assuming you want to add foil, of course. I also tend to like to go a little heavy with the Art Deco on my planner spreads, both in the what I call the footer, where the standard washi normally goes, as well as the header, where your date covers normally go. I just really like a cohesive look that kind of ties everything together and creates an actual scene. Hence why I love scene sticker kits, because they really help create that for you. What's also kind of fun about designing your own stickers is that you have the ability to try things out first. So you can see here in the Art Deco I had the really cute planter boxes. One had a pattern and one didn't. When I printed it off and tested the cut, I thought, oh, I don't know if I like that as much as having it with a pattern. So then I added it in there, and it makes it a lot easier to be flexible. And then also, you have an unlimited supply of stickers essentially, and you can really do whatever you want and create the scenes that you want. So I think that makes it fun to have a sticker shop for sure. Right now I'm cycling through all the different types of foiled sheets that I'm looking at adding. The bougie boxes are fairly new to my shop, and honestly, I am absolutely addicted. I think I use them in almost every single spread that I have, and what I really love about using them is the flexibility it allows with the layering. So you can add them behind stickers, you can add them on topper stickers, you can add them as standalone pieces, and they just create a little bit extra flair and shimmer to your spreads. And they're super easy to cut up. Like you can see here, I just cut and adhere them, and it's a piece of cake. And you can also get a little bit of extra use out of them because you're cutting them up. So sometimes I end up with an actual sheet that I just keep to the side of extra pieces that I've cut up and used in the planner. And I find that works really good because, you can never have too much shimmer or glitter on a planner spread. Well, technically, in my opinion, that's the case. So I'm a little curious, what type of planner are you? Are you the type of planner who is going to plan everything out ahead of time in terms of the placement of the stickers? So maybe you do a little bit of a mock-up, or you place the sticker sheets down where you think they're going to work best, or are you more like me where you kind of go on a whim and start placing things down and hoping for the best and then rearranging and removing stickers when things don't work out properly? Really curious. I know there's different styles. So leave a comment below and share with me, what is your creative process? How do you work when you plan? What does that look like? I've been seeing a lot of spreads lately, especially from happy planners, where planners are using those hexagons. And I thought, I definitely have to add them to one of my kits. I thought they'd be a lot of fun to use. So that's why they're in this kit. It's kind of one of the first times I've used them or featured them in a kit. And I'm likely going to be doing it again because I had a lot of fun with them. With these bougie boxes, I got a little bit lucky when I was designing them. I really do love geometric patterns and shapes. And I think that they add a little bit of interesting detail to a planner spread. But what I didn't realize when I was designing them is how much easier it makes cutting them because you're able to follow that straight line. I mean, of course you can use a paper cutter or a serrated blade against a ruler, etc. But I thought this made it so much easier, which was kind of cool. When I was looking at these hexagons, I thought, okay, they look pretty cool, but they definitely needed a little bit of shimmer. So I decided to create what I call now cluster shapes. So essentially they are clusters of different geometric patterns and shapes that you can use to layer onto your spread. So they're not cut perfectly in terms of being a perfect square or a circle or a recognizable shape, but it's more of a random look for these cluster boxes, and I think they work really well. And so I've been using them both in this spread, and then you're going to see another one coming up in a future plan with me where I'm using them behind some art deco. It just really finishes off a spread, in my opinion, of course. And so for this spread, I've actually used a combination of silver foil as well as hollow foil, and primarily because hollow foil is brand new to my shop. I didn't have it previously. So I'm super excited, and I am now tending to overuse it almost. But I think that's okay because it's just gorgeous, and I love that rainbow look. So now I'm just putting the final touches on my planner spread using my Pierre Girl freebies, which I absolutely love because they're foiled and they include a lot of little tiny elements with will help add that special final touch. And if you want one of them in your order, just mention your favorite PR girl in the comments of your order, or use their 20% off code to save 20% on your order. And voila, here is the final spread that I created using the Plant Life Zine Sticker Kit. And there's still several stickers that are available that I didn't use, which is great. So I've got some leftover scraps. Hope you like it. If you like this video, give me a little like, subscribe, and happy planning, everyone.